Classic example. I don't know whether I should even discuss this, but I'll discuss because it's a classic example. You have been in a relationship with that girl and that girl has been in a relationship with you for 5 years. And suddenly one day you decide to break this news with the family. And you go and ask your Papa, I'm in love with a girl. He said, Serpu pinjino. Communication is over. And you come back feeling my father did not, for those of you who don't understand Tamil, Serpu pinjiro means chappal will tear. Equivalent சரியா வராது. செருப்பு ஏன்னா நாங்கெல்லாம் செருப்பை பிச்சு அடிப்போம். நீங்கெல்லாம் அந்த மாதிரி பண்ண மாட்டீங்க. Basically meaning I'll hit you with chappals, huh? Okay. And you come back feeling my father does not understand me. He's still not broad-minded. What is broad-mind for you? What you thought? You will go and tell your father, Appa, I am in love with a girl, and he will say, Odipo. கல்யாணம் கட்டின்னு ஓடிக்கு போறியா இல்ல ஓடி போய் கல்யாணம் பண்ணிக்கிறியா பிள்ளைய பெத்துன்னு கல்யாணம் பண்ணிக்கிறியா கல்யாணம் பண்ணி பெத்துக்கிறியா அப்படியே கேட்பான். Upcoming businessmen, they go to the bank and sit with the bank manager and ask the bank manager, we are looking for a loan of 25 crores. He says no budget. You think bank manager will immediately open the drawer, take 25 crores and keep it there and say, Lekecha. Sirita vanda kuda kuduka maana apdi. Konja naai negotiate pannom. It doesn't happen. And then we get frustrated with the world. Suddenly 4 of your friends have bought a bike and you feel you need a bike. So you go and ask your dad, Dad, I think I need a bike. And he gives you a goal for you to have a bike which in this lifetime you will not achieve. He says, get 90%, I'll give you a bike. Lifetime it's not going to happen. அப்படியே சின்ன வயசுல ஓட்டின மாதிரி பைக் ஓட்ட வேண்டியதான். நிஜம் பைக் வராது. And you feel my dad has so much money, he does not understand. Even a good seed is not going to sprout in an unprepared soil. And ask a farmer and the farmer will tell you, on a well prepared soil, you don't have to even plant the seed. Throw the seed. It will sprout. In fact, the art of communication is about how you prepare the mind, not how you communicate. If there is communication gap, the gap is in preparing the other mind, not in communication. You will have to bring, see, you are in that state of mind. Let's take the girl example again. You think you went and told that girl one day, I'm interested in you, and she said, Didn't she put up a price? Didn't she say, Munja pare? Didn't she tell you? Didn't she reject you? Didn't she treat you like one useless waste? And didn't you go back to your friends and say, Machan, namla or mari soltada? And didn't all your friends tell you, Abdana cholva? Okay. And didn't they all encourage you, motivate you? Didn't you that day practice Vipassana for spiritual powers? And go back to her and again approached her? And told her, okay, I'm sorry, I should not have proposed, let's be friends. And she didn't know what you mean by that. And yet she agreed, okay, we'll be only friends. Okay. Adun jolludha. Sophisticated jollu, nee raw jollu. Avladhan difference. Okay. Didn't she say, slowly we will develop. And then after some time, didn't that all happen? Didn't every time an SMS came, you checked whether it's her SMS or not? Did you not like a fool stay awake till 2:30 in the night to send her one good night message? எல்லாமே தெரியுமா? கவுன்சிலிங்ல இதெல்லாம் வந்து ஷேர் பண்ணிப்பாங்க. Did you go through all that? And over a period of time, and one day she showed some interest, what, you straight away touched her? You simply told her, hey, yella irukku. That's how it always starts. Any fellow is telling you, yella irukku, tell them, kami, yella kami. Ask him to show. ஒண்ணுமே இருக்காது. அப்படிதான் தொடுவான். பாப்பான். It's called trial close. In selling, people are taught, straight away don't ask for the order, you won't get the order. Give some clue. You don't say, can you sign the order? You always ask. So, you will be paying by check or cash? Check da. Okay, he's interested. Because if he's not interested, he will tell you, check cash. Okay. I am not yet decided whether I want to buy from you or not. But when he says check, some interest, it's called trial close. So you slowly study the pulse of the prospect through a series of trial close, and then you find there has been reasonable amount of yes, then only you actually ask for the order, and that is how you got the girl. That's how you got the deal. That's how you got the principal company to agree. Communication to a prepared mind. If communication does not achieve the desired result, the failure is of the communicator and not of the receiver of the communication. I failed to prepare the mind of the other enough before I communicated. Let the farmer not blame the soil in which the seed could not sprout. Let the farmer take the responsibility for his failure to prepare the soil. And if only he had prepared the soil properly, that seed would have sprouted into the potential forest that it can actually become. So take the responsibility. Understand, I will communicate only to a prepared mind. Sometimes in today's discussion you will feel, no, that mind is not ready to receive. Don't communicate. Never waste a good idea in an unprepared mind. Never waste a good product in an unprepared prospect's mind. Never go and sell an extraordinary idea to a market when the market is not yet ready to receive that idea. Prepare the market and then throw the idea into the market. Prepare the principal company and then ask for the distribution slip. Prepare the employees and then launch the new diversification plans that is going to. Prepare the elders in the family before you talk to them about how you think the future ought to be and why you think the future ought to be. First prepare the mind and only then communicate to a prepared